Question 21b asks students to describe factors that have contributed to the growth of complementary and alternate healthcare approaches in Australia. This question was worth 5 marks. So we're looking here at the growth of complementary and alternate healthcare. That's what we look at. If we go and have a look at our syllabus, what we'll notice is, we look here, complementary and alternative healthcare approaches. Then the first sub-point is reasons for growth of complementary and alternative healthcare products and services. So there's the exact syllabus area we're looking at. We're going to have a look at our sample answer. And as we can see this one here, it says since the 1970s there has been an increase in the complementary and alternative healthcare approaches in Australia. Patients are now more aware of the side effects of drugs and are turning towards more natural remedies. So people are having understanding of issues with drugs and trying other methods. The patients are also developing uncertainty about their prescriptions and challenging the reliability of the drugs, as looking at some of the side effects that are becoming around. So again, going back to the natural remedies that are there, there is more of a larger population, and that more people are starting to specialise in complementary and alternative health services. And with this booming industry, as it says here, you have more reliable, increased personnel or more trained staff. So you now have some universities and levels of higher levels of education are now putting on their diplomas or qualifications for people to go and earn to become different types of complementary medicines. They've also been recognised by the World Health Organization, or worldwide places such as World Health Organization, which is very, very important. It emphasises again that they're being accepted and people should look at them as a different version of health. You also have private health insurance companies are also starting to provide products and services due to the increased demand. So on some of the different private health insurance policies people take out, they may have some of these, different types of complementary medicines, acupuncture, aromatherapy, some of these. Chiropractic might be included in their private health insurance, which is encouraging people. And there's some of the reasons there that we included in this sample answer. For me, I was looking for 3 or 4 factors. This answer's come up with about 5 and looked at them quite well. So he's done a good job on that one. Just some other factors that might work in as well. We've spoke about the World Health Organization, greater acceptance of alternative therapies by traditional medicine, the inclusion of alternative therapies under the private health insurance. We spoke about that. We've seen that one. The reaction against the intrusive nature of some of the traditional medicines. We saw that looking at some of the prescriptions and but knowing the reliability of where they were. The impact of the multicultural nature on Australia's population. So you have some people coming from different parts of the world who can bring some complementary forms of medicine to try and help those that are sick, and greater acknowledgement of preventive medicine approaches, and that sort of ties back into what the World Health Organization has implemented as well. Again, so overall, it wasn't a bad answer done by most students. Underlining is a concern for most. You can see here with this student, at least he's used the form of a highlighter to show some of the key aspects of his answer. So straight away we know, things that start to stick out: World Health Organization, private health insurance. They're things that straight away the marker knows that this is going to be a pretty good answer. So that was the way we looked at question 21b.